This Techzilla Maker Faire coverage is powered by Toyota. Let's go places.
Hi everybody, Robert Heron here at Maker Faire 2013. I've seen a lot of cool things that Raspberry Pi can do, but this isn't Raspberry Pi. This is another technology that we're taking a look at. And joining me is Ben just straight up, tell me what I'm looking at right here.
So this is a machine that I built that mixes a single cookie at a time, a single chocolate chip cookie. And the idea is that you can vary the recipe from cookie to cookie. So you say, well, what happens if I add a little bit more sugar? What happens if I add a little bit more flour? You can make a whole sheet of cookies, each one with a different recipe.
Holy cow. Now, that is pretty damn awesome. How are you actually controlling this setup here? Now I see you have multiple dispensers and the logic board to go with it. Can you tell me a little bit about that setup?
Sure. So each one of these has a different ingredient in there, and figuring out the different setup for each ingredient was probably most of the work of the thing. Some ingredients are powdered, some are liquid, all that sort of stuff. And the thing that's actually driving it is a parallax propeller chip, which is a microcontroller.
Very cool. Is this essentially, are you able to swap up recipes at will, like you were saying, per cookie and down to the actual ingredients for like sugar, salt, and everything else in between?
Yep, exactly. So your average cookie has about 50 milligrams of salt in there, and you can have 45 milligrams, you can have 55, you can have 60. That's basically what the machine's all about.
Are you finding it hard not to just eat all of your creations here, or this is pretty awesome, I gotta say.
They're all raw, so I'm not cooking here. I didn't sign up to be like a food maker, and so, you know, it's all just kind of for display.
A pretty darn cool piece of technology. And what makes, would you say, that board compared to a Raspberry Pi or an Arduino,
Right.
What makes that a little bit different or more capable in some ways? It's
an interesting chip. So that's a 32-bit microprocessor, and so it's different from a Raspberry Pi because it's not really a board computer. It's a little bit more similar to an Arduino. It's more powerful than an Arduino, so it can do more things at the same time.
Good deal. And apparently, also allowing you to create a system that allows you to create the perfect cookie, and that's pretty darn cool.
Any of its processing power. It's actually capable of doing graphical interface and all sorts of good stuff.
Well, Ben, thank you for your time, and may you continue to make sweet creations.
Thanks, man.
Hey, if you guys would like any more information about our coverage here at the show, visit the website at revision3.com/MakerFaire2013.
I want to thank Toyota and the 2013 RAV4 EV for bringing us to Maker Faire. 0 to 60 in 7 seconds, 103-mile range, all SUV, all EV, no emissions, and room to pack your stuff, along with, guess what, not using gas. Electric vehicle people, 2013 RAV4 EV from Toyota. Let's go places.